I am going to show you 5 ways to use Zoho Connect, 5 creative ways. Although it is advertised as a social platform, you can use it for so much more. You can use it internally, externally with some, additional options from Zoho, but nevertheless, it could be a one-stop shop for a lot of things. So I'm going to show you 5 creative ways. Before we get into that, please subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell so that you'll get notifications when we bring you new tips and tricks for Zoho. With Zoho Connect, you can use it for team collaboration. Hence the reason why it is advertised as a social platform, because you can actually set it up kind of like an internal social media. Here, when you first go to Zoho Connect, you do have the option to customize a dashboard. So when your team log in, they can see, like on our team, we've got like our core values, maybe a little announcement here that reminds everyone of core values. You can do images, quick links. Here you see I put a course launch countdown. Then there's a section where you can add tasks. All of this can be customized. Like you can use different components that are available. Just to give you an idea, so you can embed code as well. You can do quick links. All of these are the options, and then you've got some system widgets which will feel or sync with whatever you're using. So if it's task, it will be your task, events, your events. But yeah, this dashboard would be a really good place to start, like for your team to start every day. Under the feeds is where you'll find the ability to post. This is kind of like social media. I'm going to go to the group called Management Team just to kind of give you an idea. You can create a post. These are the different types that you can create: polls, sharing ideas, starting a conversation, even events can be created from here. You've got some options for formatting. You can use emojis, and you can at mention people. So if I want to mention John, I can do that and just share it just like that. And then he'll get a notification like in his email, and then he may also get a pop-up on his screen while he's logged into Zoho. But yeah, this can be used for your team internally, and then there are some options to use it externally. You'll have to go to Zoho's website to see those options, and those are an additional price. But with Zoho One, you can use Zoho Connect internally. The next thing you can use Connect for is to access all of your tasks. If you go to the tasks section, you'll see here, because I have Zoho CRM, projects, and desk integrated, I can see all of my tasks from all of those applications. And that's simply because, those tasks are assigned to me in the CRM or projects or desk. And when they are, I can view them all from here. I can click on them. I can look at the details. I can see when they're due. I can check them off once I'm completed, all from here. And then, of course, it syncs with that other application so that it'll check it off there as well. If it's in yellow, you'll see it's overdue. White means it's upcoming or current. But if there are tasks in each of these, you will see them listed here. In order to add tasks for or from Zoho Connect, you can do that here. So if I wanted to add more private tasks, which we saw on the home screen just a second ago, I could go here and I can add a new task. I can create a task for myself, or I can assign a task to someone else. You can do that here, set your due date, even a reminder and the priority, and you can work straight from Zoho Connect. Then there are also manuals. Under the manuals section, you can create manuals, or you can put SOPs, anything that explains how to do something, for your team. You can add that here under the manual section. And when you first go to the dashboard, you'll have them all listed. You can see what's unpublished, what's published. And when you click on it, it goes into the details. So you can, they consider these articles, and then you can break them down by chapters, and then these would be kind of like a lesson inside of each chapter. This is pretty much a duplicate of what you would see in Trainer Central to an extent, right? Trainer Central goes a little deeper, but this could still be used if you're not using Zoho One and you're only using Zoho Connect along with Zoho CRM. This could be a good option. Now you can go in here and create chapters. You create your, your content, and then you can add it in however you want. You've got a lot of options here. So anything from media to changing the formatting of the text, and then also adding emojis and attachments. All right. So this can be used internally for your team in order to house any information that everyone needs to have access to. A really awesome feature that I think you're going to like is this custom apps section. When you go here, you have Zoho Creator, which is where you can create applications and you can customize those applications to fit whatever you're trying to accomplish. Well, you can house them or access them from here. So here there's a time tracker application. I click on it. It is literally right there inside of Zoho Connect. So it just kind of adds to the things that you can all, access straight from Zoho Connect. You can also create apps here. So if I click on the plus sign, I can go to the app gallery. They have a ton of options here, different things that you could build. And I'm just going to choose one and install. It usually only takes a few seconds, maybe a minute or so. And then you can view it. And this is how you would edit. You would click on edit this application to kind of, to make it your own. But that is one of the really cool features that I wanted to show you. Then last but not least, I wanted to show you how to add a web tab. If you click on add web tab, any URL, any website that you want to be able to access easily or from Zoho Connect, you can do that here. So I'm going to name that SFS ebook. And this is our ebook, how to build a CRM.com backslash ebook is how you would access it or access the landing page for it. This access is going to be for everyone in the network. Hit save, and that's it. That is it. Now, I know that you guys love at least one of these features. Drop it in the comments and let me know which one is your favorite. Also, don't forget to download this ebook, A Simple Guide to Customizing a Simple System Using Zoho. You can do that from howtobuildacrm.com. You can go there, download the book, enjoy all of those features in this guide that's going to show you exactly how to build your system. And then we also have free courses. If you click on the link that you see right at the bottom of the screen, learn.successfulsolutions.com, that's in the comments, it will take you there where you can access free courses. And then soon we're going to have a course for CRM that's going to teach you all the basics. So join us there. I hope to see you guys there.